Binary option trading is not as difficult as it used to be before, because we currently have a trading hackbot that helps us analyze the market, tell us when to trade and when not to trade. Watch how I use this trading hackbot to raise my money from 15,000 naira to 36,000 naira just by analyzing the market. So I was able to raise the money higher to 42,000 naira. Again, as I continue trading, I flipped the money to 55,000 naira. So I decided to place a withdrawal. When I placed a withdrawal, then I later decided to continue trading. So I canceled the withdrawal I placed. So as I continue trading, I lift the money higher again to 60,000 naira. So as I continue with this bot, analyzing the market without stress, so I was able to make 74,000 naira instantly within 30 minutes. So to learn more about this bot, watch what the developers say.
The bot works. It's very easy and simple. So you come to this ballot box here where it says paste 12 data key. So there's an API key, like to make it analyze the market. So I'll have to paste it here. I'm coming. Let me go and get it. Okay, so you paste the key. There's both numbers and letters. So once you post the API key, you select the pair you want to analyze from, selecting like Euro JPY. Then you select the time frame you should analyze with. I want to select 1 minute. Then you click analyze. Now wait for it. So it has already done an analysis of 1 minute. You place it on the app, like see the countdown there, and to know what the bot said you should do, you should come here to this current analysis output. Currently now it says wait, so you should not place any trade once it gives you the signal. No eligible setup. So the market is bad now at this point. The momentum is so much, like it has done its analysis and say you should not do anything. Let me try one other pair, like USD, because USD has been going. Okay, so you see USD buy on 1 minute. This is a scalping setup. So you go to your broker, your binary broker, and set the time there before you come and do analysis. If it's 1 minute, then you now enter it. So it's going to like analyze. So you wait the countdown for the countdown. So that's just it. For now, you put the API key, you select the pair and the expiration time, and it will do its thing.
So you've heard what the developer said concerning the bot. It is very easy to use and it also works very well. So if you want to continue making, or you want to start making this kind of amount of money you are seeing on my screen, do click on the registration link below this video, get your own hackbot and start earning. Do not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a great day ahead.